Okay, people, look at this. If this is going to be, if you think about it carefully, if that's 20 there, we've got that. We've got an angle. But if that's 5 and that's 90, do you agree that that's going to be 85 degrees to make up the 90? Now, what have we got in this triangle? We've got two angles and one side. There it is. And we want to get the length of BC. Okay, now this is pretty straightforward because firstly, I think we better get this angle A here. Now what would this be? If this is going to be 85 and 20, what would this be? Let's just check it out. 180 minus the 85, subtract 20. 185 minus those two. So let's do it on a calculator together. 180 minus 20 minus 85 gives me 75 degrees. So there is 75 degrees. Now watch this, people. It's very simple. What do you want? You want the length of BC. So let's write BC down, divided by, now you've got to go to the sine of an angle. Well, what is opposite the length of BC? Is the sine of 75 equals. Okay, now do you have a given side? Yes, you do. 10 meters there. Okay, divided by what is opposite is the 20. So you go sine of 20 degrees. So this is what you want, and this is all the other given information. Two angles and a side. Okay, great. So how do we then work out BC? Multiply both sides by sine 75, and you've got 10 meters. And there we go. That goes up there, divided by sine of 20. Okay, now let's see. Do you want to help me work that out quickly? Let's see what we're going to get. BC is, okay, at the top of the fraction button, 10 times sine 75. Make sure you're on degrees. Okay, divided by sine of 20. Just check that out, and let's see what we get. And you can, let's round it off to the nearest whole number. It should be about 28 meters there. Okay, good. So that's the length of BC using the sine rule. Two angles and a given side. Okay, and two given angles. There we go. Now in the next lesson we're going to be looking at the cosine rule and the area rule. So stay with us on Cell School.